This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Wilkey-Prim. Rustic charm meets modern convenience in this property located just east of the NC/VA border. Nestled on almost an acre of land, it is ready. Step inside and be greeted by an open floor plan, great for entertaining. Pottery Barn style with its hardwood flooring and tasteful finishes throughout. The kitchen boasts granite countertops with a bar for seating and eat-in kitchen. Separate dining area for more formal dining. Large PB with walk-in closet gives you tons of space. Dual sinks, jetted tub, walk-in shower in the PB. The living room has cathedral ceilings and a fireplace. Sunroom offers natural light to relax or step outside on the patio and soak up peaceful sunsets. Freshly painted walls create freshness, while practical additions like generator plug and RV hookup for convenience. Parking pad for RV/boat. Storage shed has ample space while a front porch beckons you to sit and relax. Huge loft with LVP flooring offers endless possibilities. Convert it into a fourth room or use it as a cozy retreat. For more information, review the details below.